Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video, we are going to see how to order a replacement Tesco Club card, request new card, keep points and app fix. To order a replacement Tesco Club card, you must request it online through the official Tesco website as replacement plastic cards cannot be ordered directly through the mobile app. First, how to order a replacement plastic card. You can request a new physical card by following these steps. First, sign into your account on the Tesco website and navigate to My Account and look under the Club Card section. From there, select Order a new card and then click Order a plastic club card. Now choose your reason for the replacement, example lost or damaged, and verify that your delivery address is completely accurate. Then click Confirm in order to finish the process. Note, your new plastic card will arrive in the post within 10 working days. To reduce environmental impact, Tesco limits physical replacements to one new card every 12 months. Now, keeping your points, vouchers, and coupons. You will not lose any accumulated points or rewards during this process. Automatic transfer. Your existing points, coupons, and vouchers remain safely tied to your main digital profile. New card number. Your replacement physical card will arrive with a brand new card number. Tesco automatically updates this profile link in the background. You do not need to manually transfer anything. Alternative offline order. If you cannot access your account online, you can call the Tesco Club Card helpline at 0800 591 688 to order your replacement and protect your points over the phone. Now, how to fix Tesco app issues. If your Tesco Grocery and Club Card app is crashing, freezing, or failing to show your digital card, use these sequential troubleshooting fixes. Fix 1. Perform a force restart. Completely close down the application from your phone's active app switch or multitasking window, then tap to reopen it. Fix 2. Perform a clean reinstall. Delete the application entirely from your smartphone. Now visit the Apple App Store or Google Play Store to download the latest up-to-date version. Fix 3. Website password reset. If the app hangs on a loading screen during login or password reset, execute the password reset directly via a desktop web browser on the Tesco sign-in page to bypass mobile server glitches. Thank you for watching, and for more such informative videos, do like, share and subscribe to our channel.